Georgia, you wanted Starbucks, right? Earlier this morning. But I am absolutely convinced that 1/3 of the people staying here are in line for Starbucks right now. We're back in Orlando, one of our favorite places to stay. So today, the family does Cabana Bay Beach Resort. Which old cars do you guys like the best?
Georgia likes this one.
You like the old Imperial? The old Chrysler?
This model was featured in Attack of the 50-Foot Woman.
Attack of the 50-Foot Woman? You've never seen that one? You'd be Attack of the 5'2" woman.
I think this is the one Mom likes.
Is this the one you like, Cully? She likes that one.
It's a convertible. I don't like convertibles.
She doesn't care for the convertibles. She's afraid it'll flip over and scrape her off on the pavement. I like the old Woody.
I like this
That one's my fave.
one. I like this one.
The old Chevy's kind of nice looking too, though. The old Impala. It's hard to beat an old Impala.
Yeah, I like this one too.
Is there really any you don't like? You'd look pretty smooth driving any of them.
She'd be scary.
Wait, Holland, which one do you like?
The yellow one over there.
You like the Imperial also? Hang on. Look what's on the tree grate.
No.
Is that allowed at Universal?
Trail.
I'm pretty sure that's not allowed.
The trail.
You should go get a staff member to scrape. Stuff, guys. This is the Swizzle, the Swizzle Lounge. They've converted it to the Horror Icons bar. This is props from the Halloween Horror Nights. This is the upper deck. Galaxy Bowl. We're right above this is the staircase to Starbucks. The arcade down there. And if you keep going a little further down there around the corner is the jacked up experience for hotel guests. Strike a pose, Holland. A different pose. Another one. Something different. Jump. Twitch. Not your hand, all of you. What are you doing? Fun in the Sun Rec Center. What are you doing? You can't just get away with that because it's your birthday. Fun in the Sun Rec Center. This is where they have been holding the Jacked Up experience for guests of Cabana Bay. There's the exit. This is the entrance. You stand in line here. What is it? 2 o'clock till 10 in the evening? 10 or 11 in the evening. I don't see any hours.
Somewhere downstairs.
But second floor, Cabana Bay Resort, up above the Bayliner Diner.
Alright everybody, welcome into the Carnival of Fun. Throughout this room you're going to see a bunch of different props and different items. Some of our favorites include Mega Man.
Act scared. Colin, act scared. You're not acting scared. Bayliner Diner. It's a 50s themed restaurant, breakfast, lunch, dinner, midnight snacks, because they're having a Halloween Horror Nights. I think the place is open till like 2 or 3 in the morning since we've been here for our stay in October. 50s themed restaurant, decor. They have 3 or 4 different food stations inside, a lot of different types of food. You can definitely find something to eat there. Fire pit, the beach lounge area, pool, Volcano Bay off in the distance. The Hideaway Bar and Grill. We are at the what we call the Lazy River pool right here. At the Lazy River's on the far side of the pool. Hideaway Bar and Grill. Keep in mind when you're at the Cabana Bay Resort, you do not need to worry about bringing your own towels. They do provide them for you. Just a little tip, so it helps you pack a little lighter. Yeah, here's the. These are attached to the bar chairs out here at the Hideaway. There's the QR code, so you can scan and get your menu to order. We're going up to the upper deck. This is above the Hideaway. Of all the times we've been here, I don't think we've ever come to the upper deck. It looks like it's a fire pit, lots of seating, great views of Volcano Bay, the towers, and the pool. Lazy river in the background, waterfall, pool, beach entry down there on the far side. Colin, how warm is it?
I don't know. You
Oh, you brat. Oh my God. No splashing outside the pool. I saw it on the... No, that rule's on a billboard over there. All right, get in there. Next step, George. Just get it over with. Holland's doing it. Can you touch Holland?
This is real, like, it's 4 feet. It's 4 feet. I'm stubby.
You are stubby. Get in there with your stubby sister.
No sneaking by this time.
Wave to me. Right here is the lobby. Move over, there's Castaway. Castaway is currently being renovated. Several of the rooms there we noticed. Thunderbird on the far side. And then we get over to Starlight. Starlight's where we're staying. What's this lounge called, Nicole?
Atomic?
The Atomic Tonic. The Atomic Tonic Lounge. There's the pool with the water slide. The outdoor lounge area. To the left around here, it's fire pit area. Has a little timed fire pit, little timed gas fire pit. You click a button, the timer comes on. You can actually purchase s'mores kits from the Bayliner Diner. Roast you some s'mores. There's the pool, water slide, Atomic Tonic. Pretty sweet rocket. Sweet Rocket Hall. You the Rocket Man. Sing a line. Rocket Man! Come on, sing it. Water slide. Cabanas in the back. You can rent those by the day. I believe the price varies based on the season, but I'm not entirely sure. Hot tubs over here. I'm not going to show it because there's a lot of people sitting in it. If you go back this way, that's the lobby back there. Here's the lobby. Pan over to the side. There's the fire pit area we showed you where Holland's going right now. Holland, wave. There's Hall. And you go over here. Here's the Atomic Grill, which is adjacent to the Atomic Tonic Bar. Fire pit area. I believe you turn it on over here. I think there's a timer, and then I believe that's the emergency stop button.